The American diet has become the great poison, and truckers are its main victims. Truck stops, which should be fueling the people who keep our economy moving, are instead packed with junk food, sugary snacks, and deep-fried everything. This isn't just about convenience, it's about profit over health. Truckers live a unique lifestyle. Long hours on the road, tight schedules, and limited options make it easy to grab what's quick and filling. But here's the truth. The fast food, processed snacks, and sugary drinks being pushed on drivers are setting them up for serious health risks, like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's not just personal health at stake. It's also their ability to stay alert and safe on the road. Why is this happening? The reality is that truck stops aren't designed with health in mind. They're designed to keep you spending. Quick, greasy options are cheaper to stock, and healthy alternatives like fresh produce or lean protein are often overlooked because they don't have the same shelf life or profit margins. But this isn't just on truck stops. As truckers, we also have to take responsibility for our choices and health. The good news? There are solutions. First, preparation is key. Pack meals before you hit the road. Grilled chicken, boiled eggs, fresh fruits, and vegetables can go a long way. Keep healthy snacks like nuts or protein bars in the cab. Use grocery stores along your route instead of relying on truck stops. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Lose It can help you plan and track healthier options. Second, demand better. Truck stops are businesses, and businesses listen to customers. If enough of us ask for fresh food, they'll eventually provide it. Change doesn't happen overnight, but small steps add up. The bottom line, your health is your greatest asset. It's time to treat it that way. The road may be long, but a healthier future starts with the choices we make today. Let's keep moving, stronger and smarter.